Nearly every day, though, for the past couple of weeks, we've told you about the cases of coronavirus at nursing homes and even assisted living centers in our area.
The latest, though, involves a facility in Sugar Land. And as the cases rise, so do the concerns about these facilities. Channel 2's Brandon Walker live in Sugar Land now with the latest tonight. Brandon?
And Dominique, a couple things. We'll start with that confirmed case here at Landon Ridge Sugar Land. A spokesperson tells us that the resident with that confirmed case was tested while they were being treated at a hospital. That spokesperson adds that that resident remains at a hospital tonight. Still, there is concern among relatives of other residents here that more testing should be done, that other residents, other staff here should be tested to get a better idea of where things stand. That we got from one resident whose dad is living here.
We think that everybody there at that facility needs to be tested right away.
It's a thought shared by many relatives of those living at assisted living facilities.
With this virus, you just don't know how it's spreading.
That's the daughter of a man who lives at Landon Ridge. She asked to remain anonymous.
As of right now, he's okay. He doesn't really understand what's going on because he does have Alzheimer's.
Testing all staff and patients, this daughter says, would give families peace of mind. But in a statement, a spokesperson for Landon Ridge says they won't test everyone, adding no one else showed signs or symptoms. In Northwest Houston at Brookdale Assisted Living, one resident tested positive too. A spokesperson there tells Channel 2 staff and residents continue to be watched for signs and symptoms. But that's the thing. Many times you don't know until you test. Additional testing led to 28 confirmed cases at Park Manor, Quail Valley in Missouri City. The facility tested everyone, hired a contractor to do so, we're told, because Fort Bend County didn't have enough tests to do that. Different story in Texas City at the resort at Texas City, which has over 80 cases. Galveston County's health department worked with UTMB to secure testing there. And officials last week did tell us that's how they were able to test all of those residents in Texas City. So we've got two primary questions at hand. Should all residents and staff be tested at a facility where a resident or a staff member was confirmed to have COVID-19? And if that is the case, who's responsible for that testing? Since we're in Fort Bend County and many of the cases that we've covered have been here in Fort Bend County, we reached out to the health department. We haven't heard back from them. Also, the county judge's office, we've yet to hear back from them. But the state oversees all of this. Health and Human Services oversees that. We reached out to them too. We've yet to hear back. Many of these residents, though, guys, their relatives want answers to that question as we continue to see more of those cases of COVID-19 at senior living facilities. Live for you tonight, I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.